What's up everyone, this is Kaiwan, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can edit your photos just like the cover of Vogue magazine. It's been trending, the Vogue challenge on Twitter, on TikTok. So without further ado, let's just start. Alright guys, so I already prepared a PSD file that you can download. The link will be in the description. It comes with a correct size for TikTok and IG stories. So all you have to do is just drag your main photo. But before we do that, let me show you an example of that. This is an example of me trying the same PSD file. So all you have to do is just drag your main photo, and here we have the main layer that is above. We have to drag it and put it on below, and boom, we have it. So now you can Command T to resize it to whenever you want. And also it comes with a color panel that you can choose which color to go for. I usually like to match my colors with the text. I would probably go with something around a dark brown. So boom. And if you want to add a text, let's say, my favorite font that you might use probably is the best is called Avenir heavy style. And I usually go all caps. So for example, let's say is the guy. So you can really be creative. You can add text if you want, but yeah, you can also resize your main picture with Command T or Control T. I would probably go make it a little bit bigger like that, and boom. And guys, the cover is ready. I hope you enjoy it. And if you don't have Photoshop on your Lightroom, you probably can also use apps like PixArt on your phone. I believe that there are already ready templates for your photos. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and also like this video if you learned something, and I see you in the next one.